All right, here we go. We're rolling.
1, 2.
Rolling.
Shut the front door.
Damn, Burnsy, you're feisty today. All right, so little finagling. How many different O-rings? About 3 different tries?
Actually 7 to be exact.
Okay, we've had a lot of fun.
We had a bad batch of O-rings, so I'll be calling our vendor and kind of complaining.
Yeah, you always call and complain.
So I double-checked the O-ring batch that we had out of the other box, and it looked like 85% of them had a crack or a rip in them.
Nice.
So until you put pressure on them, there was just no way to tell.
So
We got
everything
everything in. We did some double time to get it done because it's
Extra
late.
tightening.
Scotty's pushing himself, but this has got to be done. It's got to.
Yeah, it's
Adam's
gotta run.
an important customer to us, so well, all our customers are important, but we were leaking here like crazy. It was really, really bad. No matter what we did, we replaced the O-rings, we did this, we did that. Well, I finally found the right set that weren't ripped, and knock on wood,
hit the key.
it's not going to leak.
Hit
Let
the
me
key.
know.
Hit the key.
Ow, my toes.
Hit the key.
1. My toes.
No leaky. No leaky.
Man on my toe.
No leaky.
All right, let's check everything else. Any leaks anywhere? Anything?
Everything else looks good. Everything else looks good. All right. I'll finish putting this together so it moves.
I went, wee, wee, wee.
I'm going to
And
bid everybody Monday morning.
yep, this will be over Monday morning. We're going to be doing oil change. I think Xander's going to do the oil change Saturday.
Yeah, oil change and fuel
Filter. And then that'll be on
And
the
then
lift.
you can button up the top of this.
I'm
which
gonna button up the top
Everything's
right now.
kind of in its proper place. I mean, I'm not worried you'll be able to get it done.
Yeah, I'll get it done right now. And away we go.
Oh, the tugger?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My GMC.